In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the graphic performance preference for Microsoft or Windows Store apps on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So if you want to set power saving mode or battery mode for certain applications, or if you want to let Windows decide based on the background settings or what's going on in the current state of your machine, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust those performance options. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now select the system tile. And then underneath system, select display. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and underneath multiple displays, select where it says graphics settings. And then where it says choose an app to set the preference, click the drop down, select Microsoft Store app. And then where it says select an app, click that drop down. Select the app you want to adjust the settings for, and then select Add. And then once it appears in this list down here, select Options, and then you can select either High Performance, Power Saving, or let Windows decide, which may switch between the two options depending on your system settings or what's going on in the background. And then you would select Save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.